Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge D208. Where is it? What's behind it? And is it worth it? Let's find out. The easiest way to find your way around Northridge or any ABI map is to check the link in the description down below. This map I painstakingly created by hand, listing everything you need to know and much more. I'll simply type in 208 as that's what we're searching for. Clicking it takes us straight to what we're looking for. As you can see, we're on the first floor of the Northridge Hotel in building D over here, so not ground but the one above. This is where we are. All I'll do is mark this on the map and head straight across here. Keep in mind, in the future, you will see what loot is inside, located here on the map as well. So from the endgame map, I'll zoom into building D, then I'll select Northridge Hotel 2F to get to the second floor, right click it, and bam, that's where we're heading. Let's do it. As you can see, we're coming up on the hotel. We want to head across to the southeast side into building D, and we'll be heading upstairs there, also known as the cinema. You'll see a huge sign right above it. There are many different ways into this building, and of course the other buildings here, all of which are super dangerous, super populated by both AI and people. Finding our way across, I'll make my way into here. Not that the entrance matters too much. We'll clear our way. I'll need to head through this little cafeteria, through the kitchen, so maybe a different entrance would have been better. But anyways, finding a staircase, which there's one over here, we'll make our way upstairs, and over here's where we'll find our rooms. So, right over here, to our right, we'll find this room, D208. It's still locked, which is great. Let's open it and find out what's inside. So, inside of this room, we have, immediately to our left, 2 military computers. For me, the first one contained 15k worth of items, pretty good. The second one could be good. It's okay, not bad. We have a bathroom behind us, which is unfortunately empty. And heading across to the main bedroom area here, a third computer, this one just a normal home computer. Finally, the most important item here, the safe located in the far corner. Inside of it, well, not too much for me. It's okay, I'll take it. And that's pretty much that. There's just 3 computers, a safe, maybe a bit of loose loot worth checking, and that's it. Anyways, of course, there is plenty of loot inside of this hotel as there is danger. Hopefully you found this video useful. You'll find this video and many more linked in the description down below. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.